People of the Purple Butterfly here, otherwise known as People of Seven on Twitter and YouTube, People elsewhere on the internet. My soaps located at Purple Butterfly soaps.myshopify.com, my blog, Purple Butterfly people.blogspot.com. And this has been a really interesting morning. I'm waiting on a package from Amazon. I'm in my pajamas because, well, it's morning and the fire alarm goes off. So, of course, I had to grab stuff real quick, like some pants and some shoes. The coat was an afterthought, and I grabbed my purse and headed on out the door. And no sooner than I get to the safety zone, which is designated for, emergencies and all that, come to find out it's a drill. Okay, fine. Can I go back in now? Because it's cold out here. No. They had to wait till everybody was out. Apparently they were timing how long our response was and all that. And I said, well, do I have an official time? He said, yeah, on time. So when we finally got the all clear to go back in, they said, by the way, Kay, you have a package. Yay. I have been replacing my pirate shoes. A pirate shoe is when you have one foot, because pirates usually have one leg and then a peg leg. So it took a while. These were supposed to be butterflies, but technically those are dragonflies. Whoever wrote butterfly don't know what a butterfly look like because it don't have narrow wings. In the meantime, just finding those shoes took forever. They were called water ready shoes. I call them, gym sandals because they got a gym shoe type base and they're strappy. Well, now they're called outdoor sandals, depending on where you go. But that's what they look like. Yeah. Well, no, there's some differences. Okay, this one, everything is contained. And this one, the straps are literally embedded in. But hey, these are blank and they are very, very similar in style. These look brown because some cocoa powder spilled on them. That's a long story I'm not going to get into. But basically, the other one apparently didn't survive the move. So, oh, this one comes loose. Look at that. No, these were just slip-ons. But this apparently is adjustable. So, yeah, that's the left foot. So I don't even have to adjust the top. I probably will, depending on, yeah, that might need to be adjusted a little bit just to get some tension going. But I got these from Amazon. They're called Dream Pair. I also found another pair that was pink, because this didn't come in pink, by Eddie Bauer for a lot more money. This would still be in the wish list too, except for the fact that they went on sale, and if I had waited, I wouldn't have got the price. So I went on ahead and got them. And let's see. Yeah, that fits very nicely. What would make more sense is if I turned the camera down so you can see. Ah, or just take it and go like that. So, yeah. So these can go away now because I have these. Oh, I'm a little winded from literally running to the front of the building. I'm so stylish. Look, I wear my pajamas, some jeans, and a coat. But anyway, this has been People7 on Twitter and YouTube, People elsewhere on the internet. My soaps look at purplebutterfly-soaps.myshopify.com. My blog, purplebutterfly-people.blogspot.com. Y'all stay blessed too. Bye now. I'm going to go walk around in these to see how comfortable they are. Take care. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.